Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll see one more concept in our computer networks, that is UDP protocol. So UDP means user datagram protocol, which is a connectionless protocol and it is a transport layer protocol. So we'll see what is the use and working of UDP protocol. So let us start. UDP protocol. So UDP stands for user datagram protocol. User datagram protocol. So here the datagram means it is a data transmitted in connectionless network. Connectionless network. So we have seen two different types of networks, that is a connection oriented and connectionless. So in the connection oriented, so we are supposed to establish the connection before sending or receiving the data, but here it doesn't require. So datagram means data which is transmitted in a connectionless network is called as a datagram. So we should not call it as a packet. So as we discussed it just now, it is a connectionless protocol. So connectionless protocol and transport layer protocol. It's a transport layer because we have seen one service in the transport layer, that is a connection control. So two types of connections, connection oriented, connectionless. So transport layer protocol. So what are the characteristics? What is the use of this protocol? So it is a very fast protocol. It's a very fast. Okay. So fast delivery of packets. Fast delivery will be there, but there is a one drawback, which is no guarantee of delivery. Okay. So no guarantee of delivery. So it will deliver the packet very fast, but there is no guarantee of reaching the destination, and also may not reach in same order. So whatever the order we are sending from the sender side, the same order it may not reach at the destination. So this is also one point. So majorly this UDP is used to transfer data between the devices very fast. Okay, so it is a very fast one, but no guarantee of delivery and may not reach in the same order. So that's why we call it as a unreliable. So because we are not giving a guarantee of delivery, so unreliable. It's an unreliable protocol. Okay. So here the datagram, whatever you are saying it as a datagram, will be having two parts. One is header, another one is a data. So here the data may be in the text format, in the image format, in the video format, or in audio format. Any kind of information can be passed, right? So that can be any kind of data. So this is the data, and for that data some header will be included. So what are the different fields of the header? Okay, let me tell you. So the fields of a UDP header, so we call it as a UDP header. So the first one is source port number. So in our previous session we have discussed about port number. Port number means to identify the particular application. So source port number, destination port number. So both must be included. Destination port number, total length. That means including the header as well as data. So here total length means header and also data. Both will comes under the total length. And the next one is a checksum. Checksum. So here these are the 4 fields involved in the UDP header. So it occupies some 16 bits or 2 bytes. So it occupies 6 bits, and here also it is a 16 bits, sorry, 6 bits, not 16 bits, and this is a 16 bits. Okay, so that means a 32 bits, that means 2 words we can say it as. So the importance of source port address means from where the data has been sent should be known. So that's why the sender port number, it means it will identify the application, from which application the data has been sent. Similarly, the destination port number means at the destination side also to which application the data have to be received. So we have seen in our previous session the services like multiplexing and demultiplexing. So the data from multiple ports or multiple applications can be combined, and the data will be transferred to the destination, and at the destination itself again the multiple data will be divided to different applications. So here the destination port will be identifying the destination application, that means to which application the data has to be transferred. And total length means the header length as well as the data length. Always the data length will be a variable that depends upon the system, so it will be variable, but header length is fixed. Header length is fixed. And checksum, here the name itself indicates the checksum means error detection. So it will check whether any error occurred during the transmission of data or not. So that will be done. Okay, so retransmission is not possible here. Acknowledgement is not there. Retransmission is not there. So only checksum, that means once data is received at the destination, it can have, or it can identify whether the data has been modified or not by calculating the checksum at the destination and comparing the added checksum into the datagram, right? So these are the only 4 fields which are available in the header. Now I'll show you the header format, how these will be organized. Let me tell you. So header format, we'll write here the source port, destination port, total length, checksum. So this is a header format. This is a header format of UDP, or you can say UDP header format. So the total length is 16 bits. Oh, sorry, 32 bits. Sorry, 32 bits, and the individual length is 16 bits each. Each is 16 bits. Okay, and what we are saying is the data and datagram. So if you consider it as a datagram, so we'll be having some header and the data. So this header format is in this way. This is the header format. This is the header format. Now we'll see working, how it will be worked. So simple steps, working of UDP. What's the first step? So application. So the main service of this one is application to application. That means a process to process communication. So application will create a data. Application creates a data. Second one, UDP header will be added. Added to data. And third one, directly this particular UDP header and data, which is a datagram, will be sent through internet. So datagram will be sent to destination, and at the destination application will receive data. will receive data if it is successfully transmitted. So we are saying it is no guarantee. So here there is no concept of connection establishment. So in connection oriented, first a connection should be established, then only the data will be transferred. Okay, we have seen the service primitives also: listen, connect, accept, then only the send and receive will be there. But here there is no concept of connection establishment because it is a connectionless protocol. So what are the applications where these UDP protocols will be used? So applications means particularly one-way communication. So if any application wants to give a one-way communication, that means one-way sending of data, in such applications we can use this UDP protocol. So one such application is online gaming. So while playing the game, there will be a different characters moving around the screen. So if some kind of data is lost, there will be no problem, still the game will be playing smoothly. So online gaming, or even video streaming also, one type of application, video streaming. So attending the live sessions are simply used by, I mean, this UDP protocol will be used in these online gamings and video streamings. Particularly the application which requires the one-way communication, that such type of applications will be using this UDP protocol. So no connection establishment. So directly the data will be created, header will be added, and directly it will be passed to the destination. The destination will receive the data. Okay, it will receive the datagram, and it will again calculate the checksum, and it will compare the checksum whether the data has been modified during the transmission or not. So this is about the UDP protocol, user datagram protocol. Right, so hope you understood this one, and if you are having any doubts regarding this one, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.